welcome back. So today video is not going to be coming out until after Christmas because this will be a Christmas present for my sister and I want to do it right. I'm going to attempt something I have not attempted before and I don't know if it's going to work. So this is a big risk I'm taking and a lot of resin, but I'm hoping it does because I think it'll look really cool if it did work. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to attempt the crackle effect because I've managed to do it a couple of times, but it's only been partial. So I don't know if this is going to work, like I said, but we'll certainly try it. This mould is filthy. There, I think that's it. So I'm wanting to put these, the front of it, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous, don't you think? I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet out of these, but I mean, they're all gorgeous. So in fact, it might be that I use this one. I think it's a really nice one. It's got a lot of greens in it and it's just really nice. But yeah, I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet, but they're all really pretty. So those are the colours I'm going to aim to keep in this piece. So we'll see if it actually keeps to the colours. So let's get on with this. I'll mix up my resin. I am going to put a bit of glitter around the edges as well. Whether that's going to stay while I'm pouring the rest of it is another story, but I'll only be putting a little bit in, so fingers crossed it'll keep where it is. But yeah, I'll mix up my resin, I'll get my PPE on and I'll make sure all the windows are open because we need ventilation. Yeah, and then I'll bring you back for doing this. So yeah, just give me 2 minutes, guys, and I'll be right back.
through emerald jungles and rivers beneath. She walks in silence, fire in her eyes, born of the earth under endless skies. Whispers of danger ride on the wind, but fear has no home where her reign begins. Every shadow knows her name, every foe trembles, every heart flames. From claw to crown she stands alone, carved in strength, blood and bone. When the night grows wild and cruel, she becomes the kingdom's shield. She's the roar in the dark, the light in a storm, the queen of the wild, fierce and warm. With a golden heart and a battle cry, she'll protect this land until the day she dies. Hear the drums, hear the call, she will never let her kingdom fall. Scars tell stories of battles won, of broken chains and rising suns. She fights not for power, not for fame, but for every life that bears her name. Cub sleeps safe beneath moonlight, dreaming of peace she guards each night. Through blood and thunder, tooth and flame, she stands unbroken, untamed. When the world shakes and hope runs thin, she digs her claws deep, stands again. A living legend, steel and grace, the heart of home, the line they face. She's the roar in the dark, the light in the storm, the queen of the wild, fierce and warm. With a golden heart and a battle cry, she'll protect this land until the day she dies. Hear the drums, hear the call, she will never let her kingdom fall. Let the enemies come, let the heavens shake. She was born of fire, born to wake the ancient strength that sleeps in all. When one brave heart refuses to fall, she's the roar of hope, the claw of fate, the guardian queen at the kingdom's gate. Through endless nights and burning suns, her watch will stand when all is done. Long live the land, proud and free. Long live the tigers, protector of destiny.
We're just about to the end of the video now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I want to thank all of my subscribers who have subscribed to me lately. It really does help my channel grow. And I also want to thank everybody for viewing my video, for liking, commenting. It really does help a lot with building my channel and helping me on my YouTube journey. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please consider doing so. It is only a click away and it is free. It will not cost you a thing. So this project was really fun and I loved it, and my sister loved her Christmas gift. And this top coat was a bit of a challenge for me. I didn't quite put enough resin on top of it, so when it cured it shrank a little bit, so a little bit at the bottom didn't get covered. But I managed to fix that a little bit with UV resin and it looks stunning now. And yeah, I hope everyone's had a nice Christmas. I know I did. We had a lovely, lovely Christmas, and I hope you all have a lovely new year, and we'll see what we get up to next year. I'm hoping, with hopes in my heart, that I become monetised by next year, but we will have to see how things go. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, and I will see you on Wednesday, next Wednesday. And yeah, I'll see you then.